the best application for you to watch sports. Pretty much all the sports that you can find is on this application here. So as you can see here, once you open the application, it will ask you to sign up or log in if you do have those information. If not, you can just use as guests. You can just tap on sign up later. It will ask you a few information. As you can see here, tap on that option here. You can tap on your favorite leagues. As you can see here, a lot of leagues which you can watch tennis, everything guys. It has everything. This is the all-round best application as it relates to sports, you watching sports. So once you have selected the one that you want to use, you do have to enable this option here where you can select the information that you have received or updates that you have received on that specific sport. You can tap on next option down here, and as well you do have for football, let's say your favorite soccer club. You can tap on that option, you can swipe at the top here and pretty much get notification on all of these here. So that's really pretty much for that there. Once you've pretty much selected your favorite team, tap on finish and it will pretty much load up the application. So as you can see here, we'll give you news update for the home section, which you can as well watch as it relates to the teams that you have selected or the things that you have selected once you start open the application. And you can always go ahead and tap on the plus icon here to add more updates as it relates to specific sports, as you can see here. So it's just a all-around application which gives you updates on all sports, but if you want to be specific, you can go ahead and select the specific ones that you want updates on. As you can see here, you have news section down here. If you do scroll, you have a lot of news updates and so forth. And also you have the score section. It will give you scores on everything as it relates to this. So NBA, NFL, NHL, everything. It has everything, guys. As you can see here. And as well, let's say, for example, this one here, you can just tap on the bell icon. It will pretty much give you update as it relates to when the game starts, the quarter and the final, the closing game and the final. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And most of these pretty much also are the highlight option. If the match has been played before, you'll be able to tap on the highlights and pretty much watch the highlights. As well, you do have the YouTube short feature where you can scroll and pretty much look at other matches that are being played right now. As you can see here, some of them are currently live right now as well. And as well, you have other section here. The live feature that was pretty much seen where you can scroll and pretty much see updates as it relates to these specific things. So do keep in mind, you do have to go in the add section here to pretty much add your favorites so it can give you updates as it relates to that specific sport. So in the more section, nothing much. As you can see here, you can see updates on other sports as well. Let's say you want to see update on English Premier League. You can just tap on that option and you can see all the matches being played in this section here. You have the scores, you have the news updates, you have the standing stats and pretty much everything as it relates to this as well. So here you pretty much have the option to broadcast the information to your phone. If you're watching something, you can broadcast it to your TV, I should say, or your laptop using this feature at the top here. So nothing much for that, as you can see here. So very, very, very good application if you want to keep up to date as it relates to sports, anything as it relates to sport, has everything. So in the settings feature here, you have some features which can enable as it relates to playing videos. If you don't want to use too much of your data, can let it autoplay only when you have Wi-Fi and so forth. So these are just some of the settings which can enable as well. So that's really pretty much it. And if you do want to get the full experience, you may need to get your subscription. They do offer a subscription as it relates to this application as well, which all application do offer subscription. And as you can see here, the account details information, pretty much have to log in to be able to get your subscription and so forth. So very good application if you're going to keep up to date with sports and everything as it relates to sports. So that's pretty much it. And if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.